Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Spotify Learn. Today I had posted a poll even on WhatsApp channel and Instagram channel that is regarding which video do you require next, that is one shot video or the one shot video related to numericals and queries. Many of you had replied as and voted it as the numericals and queries itself, and that's why I am doing this video. And if you're watching my channel without subscribing, make sure to subscribe and then watch the video. Let's start from module 1. This is about the module 1. Okay, first we will be discussing what is the ER diagram. Everything I'll be discussing. If you see this one video, almost everything is covered, and the queries which will be there, that is SQL queries, like that similar it will come. Exact the question you cannot expect, because the queries may vary and the database which they give may vary, but the method we will use to do will be the same. So as I explain, please do watch the full video. You will be understanding it whole thing first, and make sure to like the video also firstly, and then go to watch the video and see. First they have given about the see, this is the ER diagram, entity relationship diagram for company database. That is only the one question they ask from module 1. Okay, see, first in company who will be there, like that you should remember. Okay, employee. For employee, what will be there? Social security number. As India have like Aadhaar card, like that is the citizenship we get, right? The similar way in foreign countries it will be like the social security number. If you underline that, it will be the primary key. I hope you know that and all. And birth date will be there, first name will be there, minute, that is initial will be there, last name will be divided into those three, address will be there, and salary will be there, and the gender will be there. Okay, next you can see that is having works for, where he'll be working for, and in the department. Okay, first you will be see, when he manager will be there, when he started the date. Okay, next if you see in the department name, department location will be there, and the number of employees that department is carrying on and they are working in that. Who will be controlling? They'll be controlling the project. Okay, the project, and project which location it is taking place, and what is the project name they are doing, that will be the primary key, that is, and the number which they are doing, and what it will be working on, how many works, how many hours he works on, and this m into n and all are the cardinality ratio that you have to do. The employee will be under the supervision of supervisor or supervisee. Okay, that will be, whole will be dependent on the dependent, that will dependent will be having some names, this gender and the birth date and the relationship. I hope you got this how to write. First will be the employee details, next will be department details and how he manages, and works on and works for. Okay, and where he'll be dependent and dependent information. If you remember these four types of ideas, you'll be remembering the whole ER diagram for company database. Even the similar way, if they give for university, you'll be knowing, right, who will be in university, you'll be knowing faculty, students, HOD and all, you'll be knowing, right? Then if they give for library also, you can write the similar way, anything. But the most repeated question is about the company database. That's why I explained this. Next is about the module 2. This is comes as module 2. They have given student and instructor table, right? You can see here the first name, last name, here the F name and L name. What they are asking is, they'll ask for student union instructor. Okay, means you have to add all those. Okay, intersection means you have to take out the common elements, and minus means you have to student minus instructor means keep the student all the values, remove the instructor values, and instructor means keep this instructor, remove the student. That is the basic idea here. See, first let's see what they have given for student is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 databases there. Here also you can see, but here you can see Susan Yao is repeated, so no need to worry. And next is about the Ramesh Shah is, Ramesh Shah is also repeated. Johnny is not repeated. I guess this Ricardio, oh no, that is also not repeated. Smith, bro. Yeah, these two are repeated. Next, no. See, here also you cannot see John. Ricardio also it's not there, and Francis also it's not there. These two you'll be remembering, and you will be removing, and you will be putting these 7 along with these 3. So you'll be getting around 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you removed the common elements. That is, if you add also again the same name, same last name. So right, no need to write about that. Next, common elements means you will be taking that both which you removed, right, that you will be adding in this intersection value, that is Susan and Ramesh. Next, what you will be doing, here you can see first is student minus instructor. Okay, student table, what it is having, first let's see. Susan, Ramesh, Johnny. Okay, I'll be taking it in the different paper itself. Okay, now first let's see, you understand the table. Okay, first you take the screenshot of the table or do anything like that, then you will be easily understanding. First, in table of student, you can see Susan, Ramesh, Johnny, Barbara, Ami, and Jimmy and Ernest, right? See, what is the common elements in the second table? Susan and Ramesh. So you remove that both and write rest of the 7. In the 7 you remove 5, that is 2, means you will be getting 5, right? That is Ramesh. Yeah, sorry. Ramesh and Susan, you will be removing this, both you will be removing, means you will be writing another 5. Okay, that is still Ernest in the student table, because you saw the what is the common elements and you removed from that. Okay, you will be writing the whole student table and you will be removing the common from this. Now write the whole instruction table. Instructor is about the John, Ricardio, Susan, Francis, Ramesh, but Susan and Ramesh, they both are repeated in student table, right? So you will be removing that. That is the basic idea for this. I hope you got this, how to do this question, and if you have any doubts related to anything, please do let me know in the comment box. Next is about, if you want the same PDF, please do DM me on Instagram, and even if you have taken my notes also, and if you want the same PDF also, please do DM me immediately. I'll be sending it. Okay guys. Next is about the query. Okay, now they have given about the sailors boat reserve database. Okay, sailor boat reserves. Okay, they have given some ID and all, you will be seeing that later. See, first they have given, you have to write the SQL queries. First, what they have said, find the colors of boat reserved by Albert. Okay, they have selected something and they have said, now what you will do, select what they have said, color, right? So B dot color, that is for boats, B dot color. From boats reserve are, that is yes, sailors. From all that you will be selecting sailor ID is equals to reserve ID is equals to boat ID. So the name will be what? Albert, for which you have selected. That is ID you have selected and selected by the ID for color. Okay. Next they have asked about them. Find all sailors ID that is having rate of at least 8, reserved boat 103. Select yes ID, that is sailors ID you will be selecting from where sailors rating is greater than or equal to 8, at least means greater than or equal to 8. Union, what you will be doing, select yes ID again. From reserves, where you will be, this is from reserved. Okay, reserved, where B ID, that is boat ID they have given, right? Boat ID is 103. This is very simple. Okay, you can understand it. Next is about the find the names of sailors who have not reserved a boat whose name containing storm, string storm, order the name in ascending order. What you will be selecting is name, that is sailor name, and from where sailor SID is not in, if not in, you will be selecting the reserve.SID, sailor ID, from where reserves and boats, and RID is equals to BID, and BID, that is they have given the string storm, and you will be ordered by AC, that is the ascending order of what? Name, that is sailor name. That you will be writing it in this query. Next you see about the age, they have given sailor's ID age over 20, have not reserved a boat, includes the name of Thunder. Okay, includes the string Thunder. First you will be again selecting this from sailor, age greater than 20, not in. Again you will be selecting boat, this and all same, but here you will be changing the string as what percentage storm it was, here it is Thunder. Next, the second question which was repeated is, this is one of the easiest of all. See, first they have given employee number, department dependent, list all the employee who reside in Belagavi. They have said where? Belagavi. Okay, that is what address, right? Belagavi is what address. So what you will be selecting, that is, I hope you know, this is select bias project. You don't have maximum time, right? So I'm not going deeper into it. I'm just saying how this works. Okay. See, first next you can see address, that is you will select the address where is Belagavi, from where employee, here it is right, address so you will be selecting from employee. Next they have asked all the employee who earn salary between 32 and 40,000. What you will be selecting? Select salary greater than or equal to 30,000 and salary less than or equal to 40,000 of where employee. Again here is employee, you can see that is in salary. Okay. Next you can see they have said about the list all the who works for sales department. They have asked list all the employees that works under sales department, right? So you have to have employee details, means you'll be projecting whole employee itself, okay, with employee number, name, salary, address, phone number and department number. What you will be selecting under sales department, they are asking. So department name, sales department is nothing but what department name they are saying. D name, department name will be what, sales, okay. D name, here you can see from department, and this is you will say employee and department, okay. From this is from employee table, this is from department table, so you'll be saying department, the symbol, and department, employee and department. Now you'll be having who at least have one daughter, okay, I have said. Now you'll be selecting, projecting what employee name and number, okay. Then you'll be what employee, this is from employee. Now what you'll be doing, relationship with the relation is equals to daughter of dependent, okay. Independent, the relation is there, relationship, okay, that daughter is also comes under relationship. So that is how you will be having. They have asked list the department names along with list of names of managers, okay. When you ask that, first you can see here you will be having department name and name of the employee. From department you will be choosing manager, employee number will be E number, from where employee, that is what you have to choose here. Next we will see about the module 3 questions, that is about the functional dependency. See, first they have asked the construct the minimal cover. See this and all, you can see this is the what is that theory part. I'll be just explaining about the numericals. See, first what they have given in question is B to A, D to A, B to D, okay na, idun kottidare, like this they have given the question. But what is the minimal cover is you have to reduce almost all the redundant information or the data which is present, okay. Extraneous you will be calling it as extraneous attributes from the lists, that you will be calling it as extraneous attributes. How you have to remove, I'll be saying now. See, first when you have, this is having 1 to 1 relationship, 1 to 1, this is having 2 to 1, right? So if you have 2 to 1, you have to remove any one that will give the same meaning for the data set. How you will be removing that, first you will, let's see first check for this is extraneous, right? Okay, now you take some A, B to D, right? You take some closure as B. B closure will be having B only, C closure will be having C only, A closure will be having A only. So now for instance you take B closure is equals to B, then you will be understanding, okay. B, sorry, I'll be writing here only B closure, okay, B star plus will be is equals to B only. Now what you will be having, B to relationship A is there, right, in the question, so that you can take, that you have means. Next what you have, A, B to D, using that A, B to D, since B gives A, okay, we get B gives D also, it is the same meaning. If you remove A also, B will be giving D only, right? That is the same meaning if you remove A also. So now what you will be removing, A will be removed, just you will be having B to A, D to A and A, sorry, not A, B to D. These are the three you will be having. Now what you have to check, you have to check that whether anything works if you remove anything. Now the set will become like this, B to D, right? Now you have to check for redundant function. What is redundant function? You have to check those three with each other. If anything, if you derive from two attributes, if you get the same attributes, okay. Now you check for B to A, okay. B to A, this is having, yes, it's perfect. Next you check from D to A, this is also having, it's perfect. Now what you can see here is D to, yeah, B to, okay, B to D is there, D to A is there, okay, D to A. That means what, B to A using transitivity type, okay. B to A will be there by transitivity. So it is redundant, okay. There is no meaning in B to D and D to A. So you can reduce that, redundant, right? Okay, B to D gives B to A itself. This is also there. So what you will be doing, any one you can give, that is B to D, D to A. That is the minimal cover that you will be having in the given function. That is how you will be saying. I hope you got that. That is the function they have given us, B to D, D to A. By the transitivity function, what you will be removing, you will be removing B to D, D to A, means you will be keeping that both, okay. B to A is already in the question, and that you will be deriving from this transitivity itself. So you will be removing that and replacing that in this, okay. I hope you got that. Next is about the question is about the functional dependency problem. Okay, functional dependency problem is nothing but functional dependency. I hope you know that theory part I have given. Now again you can see they have given B to A, D to A, again A, B to D. You have to construct the minimal cover. Sorry, this question is repeated. Okay, this is the minimal cover that you will be having. Okay, next in this module even they'll be giving about the equivalent problem. Sorry for that, I'll be uploading it in the last part. Okay, please do watch the video fully, as I have not explored that. I'm not able to do, but I'll be exploring that also. Next they have given is about the, this is maybe belonging to module 4. They have given some student, class, enrolled, faculty and all. See, for all the names of the juniors, junior JR who are enrolled in a class taught by one teacher, they have said. Okay, now select distinct S name from student S, enrolled E, class C, where S is equals to S num dot E num. Okay, E name, that is S level you will be choosing as junior. Now again it is in room 128, means again select distinct class name from class, room is equals to 128. Union, what you will be doing, class name from enrolled, group by C name, having count of at least they have given 5 or more, so greater than or equal to 5. Next is about the, for class name, that is having count of them, how many they teach. Okay, faculty name, count as total classes you will be saving as this. Faculty of class C, FID is equals to CID, and by FID is equals to FID F name. Okay, for have every C room is equals to 128. Next, what you will be having, find the number of students names who have not enrolled in any class. From student name you will be selecting from student where not in, that is select S num, that is number of students, right, you know, and from enrolled, that is the you will be having. As you have selected the name first itself, the names also will be displayed. Next the question is about the, again they have given employee and department, which we studied previously. Just they have given, I'll be just explaining what are the queries. See, first you will be selecting name and address, right? Select F name, M name, L name and address from employee and department. E department number is equals to D dot department number from employee and department. D dot D name is equals to research, for they have said for research department, that is D name, that is D dot D name. From department you have selected the department name as research. Next they have said retrieve all employees whose address is in Houston or Texas. Okay, select star, you will be doing from employee where address like, that is you can give it as string, that is percentage Houston dot and Texas. Okay, next is about the retrieve all employee, that is between 30 and 40. I hope you know, you can use either this select salary. In the previous question we studied that only, and they have given here about the 10% salary hike. Okay, that is you will be having update employee, set salary into 1.1 and D name in and department number from department, D name is equals to research, and delete from employee SSN you will be deleting if you have particular SSN they have given, right? So next is about the, they have given the question, again you have to write the similar type. Pi is for project and this sigma is for selecting, and what they have given now from employee, if you are doing you will be using this infinite type symbol, and again you will be doing. And next is about the IT department, have salary greater than, you will be giving greater than 6,000 and all. It's almost the same way you will be doing it for the module 2, which I thought also. And you can solve this, and I hope you have got that. And I'll be now inserting the video for the equivalent, that is from module 3 also. I said, right, the problem which I stopped in module 3 I'll be discussing at the last. That is the question I'm displaying here, and you can see, I guess, that given F and G set. Okay, that is set of functional dependencies. We have to say whether they are equivalent or not. First we will be given, you will be writing, and next you will be writing use minimal cover of F. Again the previous question we did in module 3, right, having the minimal cover, redundancy, remove and all, that you will be having extraneous attributes you will be removing. The same type, but you will be dividing it. Okay, A to C, A, C to D, E to A, E to D and E to H. Okay, that will be A to D, you will be splitting it as and next is A to C. Okay, C is extraneous, so you removed that, C you removed, and A to D also you can arrive, and the two alphabets it has, that AC and this, you remove that and got this as 5 for F set. Okay, now if you see for G also, again it is F, this you got, right? You will removed, because E to A to D also gives E to D, so you will be removing that. And next you can combine those, and this you will be having A to C, A to D, that is A to CD. Okay, that is A to CD, A to EH. Okay, that is also giving the same. And see, this gives only A to CD, this also A to EH, E to AH. That means that is CD, CED, AH, that is having same. So they both are equivalent, we can say. I hope you got this question. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment box. Just you will be having minimal cover, you will be applying that and removing the extraneous and applying transitivity and removing the redundant dependency which is present. I'll be removing this. So you can take the question of this screenshot and then start working out this problem. I hope you understood everything. I hope all the numericals which I thought is clear, and if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment box. And thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video, bye bye. Even please do let me know that whether I have to upload one shot video or it's enough that I have uploaded module wise videos also, so that I'll be planning for it also. And thank you for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.